What do you think of the shopping platform called Meesho? Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist and an image consultant, and I'm so happy that you're here today. So if any one of you are new here, I strongly suggest subscribing, and once you've seen this video, if you liked it, please like and share. So without wasting much time, let's plunge right in. So today we are going to get into a discussion about this shopping platform called Meesho. There has been a lot of noise around Meesho in the recent times, and people are talking a lot of things. There have been numerous videos which have been made. There are a lot of YouTubers who have covered Meesho, and a lot of discussion around this place. So what is this all about? So I wanted to share with you what I think about Meesho. So as you all know, Meesho is a shopping platform which actually came into origin. It's an Indian platform which came into origin around 2015, but it rose into popularity just recently. So what is this all about? Now, Meesho, they claim to be one of those best wholesale priced platforms. And rightly so. Most of their products are quite cheap, and they have a lot of products. They have garments, accessories, electronics, utensils and whatnot. A lot of things on the platform. Now, this is also known as India's best reseller platform. So what is a reseller platform? So if you are someone who is interested in selling items to your clients, what you do is, it's very simple. You you curate some products on Meesho and you share it with your client on any platform, and if they like it, you just do a markup on the price which already Meesho offers it at, and then sell it to your client. And what they get is, they get the product and you get this markup price from Meesho. So it is simple. It is like this. You are doing business, you take some products from a wholesaler for wholesale price and you sell it to your client for a retail price. So this is something really good for people who would love to do such online business without spending any money. So there is zero cost involved in setting up this business, and you get a lot of products that you can show it to your client. Now, what I did is, I thought, okay, let me also do my version. Let me share with you what I think of the products on Meesho and how it works and what is the quality. So I bought some products just to do this haul, and I want to share with you what I think of these products. So the first one is a gharara. So now I bought this white gharara. I bought it in a very simple cotton fabric, and it's got some small blue prints on it. And as you all know, gharara is very much in trend now. It is one of those very old fashioned from the times of Mughal Azam, the movie, but it has come back into fashion like nobody's business. So it is there in cotton, silk, semi silks, etc. So I bought this and I tried. So what I found about this, the one that I picked up, that is that it is actually of a very decent quality cotton, and the rest of the stitching and everything, I found it to be quite decent. And the price that I paid for this gharara is not much. It is around 600 odd bucks. So it was quite a good product. So that was the first product. Now the second product was a dress. So I love these long dresses. So you can see that this is a long dress in something like a cobalt blue. It's a very long dress. It comes to around your ankle length, and it's got nice long sleeves, some buttons, and you have this tie-up detail in this dress. And on the whole, it's a smart dress. It's a very casual dress which you can just wear just about going out, or for any purpose for that matter. So I also found this dress to be of a decent quality. The fabric is actually a very good cotton, which is quite soft on your skin, and it is the print is nice, and it's quite a very decent design with a lot of comfort. So that was the second product. The price of this dress was around 595. The third product that I bought was a sari. I'm like my all-time favorite garment, sari. So I couldn't but help but pick up a saree. So I picked up this beautiful organza saree. So it's a white and with these rose designs on it, and it's all over. The print is all over, and it's quite it was quite light and airy. And I think the price of this saree is also around 580 bucks. So for that, I found the saree to be quite fine and nice. And to pair with this, I actually picked up a blouse also from Meesho. So this blouse is a very fancy blouse. As you can see, it's completely studded with a lot of sequins work on it, and it's quite a decent one, except that there were pads in these blouse, but what I found was those pads were not of a good quality, and it was not giving the kind of finish that I expected. So I removed it. It doesn't matter, you can just remove it. So I removed it. And also a little bit of problem is I found the length of the blouse to be just about, meaning to say, if somebody a little bit more heavier, somebody more taller would wear this blouse, probably it will not sit quite well on the back. So these are the products that I picked up. Then on accessory side, I picked up a few rings. So rings for me, are my favorite. This is like a huge ring, and then you have these kind of rings, and also this very cute little, bit of kundan stones on it, and those little bit of beads and all that. So I use rings quite a bit, although I don't have long fingers, but I just love the fact that without wearing bangles, if you just wear rings, it's quite a statement, and it's really signature to do these kind of things with rings. So I bought some rings, and also since I do videos, since my hands are displayed, I love to wear rings. So these rings were of quite a good quality. I found them to be very cute and really nice, and the price range is just about between 180 to 250 bucks, which is not at all a price for this quality of a ring, I thought. And the next one, the next accessory is neckwear, which I bought, which is looks like this, if you can see this. So this is like what you find the temple jewelry. So mostly you find it in gold. So this is in like a silver finish with pink and green stones and some beads on it. Again, this came for about 295 bucks, so that is quite cheap. And for that money, the quality is there. It looks nice, the look of it is quite catchy and nice. So these are the products that I bought, and I've styled all these products for you to see how they look on me. So one thing which in my opinion, what I thought was, people are saying a lot of positive and negative about this platform. So what I found is that for the price that you give, you get that quality back. Meaning to say, if you're paying a 400 bucks, you get the quality for only a 400 bucks. When you pay a 400 and expect expect a quality for 1,500, that's not fair. So what you pay, you get. So if you guys are not someone who wouldn't like, who would love to have that utmost quality, then this is not a place for you. But if you are amongst the people who would just love to have some looks, keep changing your looks, for that it is value for money. You just pay and you just wear it 1, 2, 3 times, and then that's about it. But another disadvantage, and a big disadvantage which I found on this platform, is that when you choose a product from one seller and then you go to another seller and choose another product, you cannot put it into the cart. Meaning to say, you can only pick up products from the same seller, put it into the cart, pay the price and get out. You cannot pick up from different places because there are many sellers on this platform. You cannot pick up from different sellers and put it into the cart at the same time. So you have to finish with one seller, then go back, then pick up the product. So that is a big laborious thing, because you're not used to all this. On other platforms like Amazon, Myntra and places like that, you can pick up from anywhere, put all of them into the cart, and just bang, you can just pay. So that is one disadvantage which I expect the people behind this to correct. So these are the things which I found. And Meesho is not just a reseller place. It's also a place you can straight buy your things and they come straight to you. So these are all the conclusions that I have about Meesho. I believe you liked the video. If you have liked it, please like and share, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And till I see you again, please stay happy, stay healthy. I'll be back with a lot of haul, lot of videos on fashion, image and style. Till then, signing off, Archana Shankar.